Savasana, also known as corpse pose, is a foundational and concluding yoga asana that is usually practiced at the end of a yoga session. In Savasana, you lie on your back, close your eyes, and allow your body to completely relax. The name corpse pose reflects the idea of surrendering and letting go. Now let's explore how to do this yoga asana. Lie down on your back. Separate your legs and bring your arms alongside your body, but slightly separated from your torso. Palms facing up. Close your eyes and let your breathing occur naturally. Feel your chest expand with every inhale and contract with each exhale. Start relaxing every part of your body, starting from the crown of your head all the way to your toes. Savasana is a pose of deep relaxation and is considered essential for integrating the benefits of the yoga practice. It allows the body to absorb the physical and mental benefits of the preceding poses and promotes a sense of calmness and rejuvenation. Incorporate Savasana into your practice to reduce stress, promote mindfulness, and cultivate a state of deep relaxation. It provides an opportunity to connect with your breath, release tension, and experience a profound sense of peace. Join us at Yoga World as we explore the diverse benefits of yoga poses for holistic well-being. Namaste.